had a case against an insurance company. It was a litigation case. The medicals were not great, $8,000 in medicals. The insurance company offered next to nothing. We put it into suit. We offered to settle it for like $14,000 or something like that. I mean, something fairly reasonable. And they wrote us back and said they would offer us like $7,000. And both sides were like stuck in the sand. So we're gearing up for trial and we're asking questions. This is a lady who had not been very helpful about developing the human damages until we really sat down and said, look, we've really got to present. Your injury is meant to you because it doesn't present well. As in on paper, if you just look at the medicals, it doesn't present well. Finally, she said, before the crash, I used to go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week. After the crash, I couldn't go to the gym and I didn't go to the gym for months. It took me months to get back in the gym. And that hurt me. That caused me to be depressed, wasn't myself. And we sat there and we go, okay, well, how are we going to prove this? Well, she was an LA Fitness person. So we asked LA Fitness for the records and lo and behold, our client is telling us the truth. And so we pulled the records and the records showed that she had consistently gone to the gym 4 to 5 days a week. That was our main thing at trial. Like our main story was this impacted her life. Like for a blip of time, she was unable to do the things she wanted to do. And we asked the jury to award, we asked for $17,000, which would have triggered the offer of settlement. The jury awarded $17,000, what we asked for. It was a very reasonable ask for the case. And when it was all said and done, the insurance company paid us their full $50,000 policy because of the fees and expenses claim for having to try the case. But the reason I tell the story is it took us 3 years of litigation to pull the information out of the client that actually allowed us to tell her story.
And it was the human story that actually...
And it was the human story that carried the day.
Yeah.